Hello, in this video we show how to install PyTorch in Windows. So first you go to pytorch.org. So PyTorch is a deep learning package for machine learning or deep learning for the neural network. So this is the official website for PyTorch, and we go to here. You can see this is the basic installation statement for the PyTorch. Okay, using in pip3 they installed Torch and Torch version from this link, and this is the computer operation system. If we choose Windows, so you can choose Cuda. So Cuda is for calculation with deep GPU. So usually if you want to use PyTorch, you have to have a GPU card in your computer. So Cuda can choose these three versions currently, but the old version is also okay because it's developed so quickly. And use Python, the pip. So next we will go to Cuda. But before you install in Cuda, you have to install your VisualStudio on your computer for the Windows. So we go to VisualStudio. We choose VisualStudio download. Then usually we'll find this link for the Microsoft. So if we take it back, we'll find VisualStudio Community. Now the version is 22, I think. So you can just click free download and to download, then just open. That will be installed on your computer. And because I have installed the VisualStudio for older version, so I will not install it further. So after you have installed the VisualStudio, then you go to Cuda's link. You will find this Cuda toolkit 12.6. But again, if you have older version, it's also okay because I have installed the older version and it works. So if you go to this link, you will choose Windows or Linux. But you can set Windows here. So this one, and click, and Windows 10 or 11. If you choose 11, then choose EXE local network. That will be noted that you have at least 3.0 GB on your computer space. Then just download and install this. So these two installation for the Cuda and for the VisualStudio is very easy. So I will not show it further later. Then we go to PyTorch. If you have installed these two, but again, if you have Cuda installed, you can go to your computer's PowerShell window or command window. I just go to Anaconda prompt window because I have installed Python from Anaconda framework. So next command is to check if Cuda is installed. It's very easy. nvcc, yes, base. Then, okay, my computer has installed Cuda 12.1. So everything is okay. So next, under this window, you just choose PyTorch installing and copy. Then install on this line. But again, I have installed PyTorch. I will not install it again. So if you have run this command successfully, you will see PyTorch is installed. But of course, you have installed Python first, right? So I have installed Anaconda Python. So everything is okay. And PyTorch is installed using this link. Then you can check if you can import PyTorch So first we learn Python. So go to Python and we check PyTorch. Just use import torch. If no error, it's okay. PyTorch is installed. And next you can check if Cuda is combined with PyTorch successfully. And use this statement. This is true. It works normally, which means you can use Cuda and use GPU to run your network. And of course, you can print Torch version, PyTorch. 2.2 is installed on my computer. Then you can go to your ID. For example, I use a spider here. Sorry, wait a minute. So on this window, you can also import Torch. It works. And you can also check Torch Cuda. True. So everything is okay, that you can start your PyTorch programming in your Windows system. Thanks for watching.